So in the project, I showed how to transfer a piece of clip art with chalk onto your canvas to paint them on there. The reason I did this was because I figured that was something that was pretty accessible to everyone. Most people have access to a printer to be able to print out some clip art, and I mean the chalk, I just got them at the dollar store, so you can get them wherever. If by chance you have a die cutting machine, another idea is to die cut a Santa and sleigh, or die cutting some trees, and you could, as well as what you've done for your background, you could pop them up on foam pop dots, just giving you a little bit of dimension and just adding a little bit of extra texture to your canvas. You definitely don't need to, but it's something that if you had the resources, you could do to them. So this one here, this is an old Cherry Lynn die. I'm not sure if it's still available, but every year they seem to come out with a Santa and sleigh die, so it should be too hard to find one if you were wanting to do that. So I just die cut it in black, and then I took my gold and clear star pen and I just highlighted some of the accents just to make it pop a little bit. And what I would do is I would put little foam pop dots beneath it so that it would pop out from the canvas a little bit, just giving it a little bit of depth. And then same with the trees. So this one here, it actually only cuts about this much of trees, so I cut it twice and then I just added them together, making sure that they were the right length for the canvas. And again, if I were to put this on here, I would take some foam pop dots and I would pop them up just to give it a little bit of extra dimension. And the nice thing too is the cardstock is a little bit different of finish from the paint. The paint has a little bit of a satin, little bit glossy finish. The cardstock is a bit matte, so that it just gives it an extra different texture with that as well. So just a couple ideas that I wanted to share with you. If you wanted to go that route, you definitely don't need to. You can keep it as is and just have everything painted on there, but just ideas if you wanted to do that.